most accurate local forecast starts now with meteorologist Brett Thackeray.
Well, it is great to be with all of you as we check out E-Town here, Elizabethtown, Lancaster County, the public library. We have some clouds overhead that may be surprising to some of you, especially when we're talking about a lot of sunshine, right? And we had a fair amount of sunshine yesterday. But let me explain what's happening here. We have a little bit of an easterly flow. And so what happens is we get this low-level moisture here from the coast. It develops some clouds over top of us. Now, you might be saying, okay, but where are they on the satellite? Well, this is an infrared satellite. And if the clouds are too warm and they're as warm as the surface, which in this case they are, then the satellite can't distinguish between the surface and the clouds, because remember, infrared is looking at temperature, right? So it's not seeing what we see, it's looking at temperature. And so that's why, because they are low-level clouds, the satellite can't often tell the difference. So believe me, they're there, but they're going to burn off nicely here as we move into the next couple of hours. Temperatures are in the low 60s, even some 50s now in the bigger cities. York dipping to 59 degrees, still near 70 in Philly, Baltimore, and D.C. But we are about 5 to 10 degrees cooler than yesterday. So all is well. And dew points are low, too, in the 50s. So all is really well. It's nice to see the tan colors over us rather than that disgusting, icky green. I was sick of it. 83. Yesterday's high, 87 the normal, no rain yesterday, 103 the record today, set back in 2011. The sun is out in Hanover too. It looks nice, and not only is today not going to be humid, but highs will be near 80. It's going to be absolutely gorgeous out because of this high pressure sliding down from Canada, less humid. It's going to be cooler today. Oh, you just want to wrap yourself around that high and give it a hug because it's keeping this at bay. Another heat wave, more high humidity just as we move into the weekend. So we will continue to see these clouds battling the sun, but I still think the sun will win. Low clouds again tomorrow. Precision cast shows that. And then a mostly sunny afternoon. Same deal with Thursday. Low clouds in the morning. The sun burns them off. The difference with Thursday is I think we start to see temperatures back near 90. So highs today right around 80 degrees. Very comfortable. I think tonight's another great night for sleeping. Down into the low 60s. Some areas may dip into the 50s again. And then tomorrow we start to see the heat building again. Back up into the mid 80s. That's where we should be this time of year. So fair forecast. Let's tell you about it, right? Whether you're going to the York State Fair or the Lebanon Fair or the Shippensburg Fair, which we showed you the camera for. It really is going to be a nice week. Very low humidity today at 80, 86 tomorrow, warm it up. And then Thursday, that heat wave begins with temperatures near 90 degrees. The extended outlook is also indicating that. The humidity really stays low even into the first day of the heat wave on Thursday. It's not until the weekend where it peaks right ahead of our next front. And that is when our moisture will peak as well. So even into Thursday, the atmospheric water content stays low. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, it goes up. There's that green color again, huh? Ugh. And then we try to dry things out by next week again. So we'll take it. And, you know, it's nice to have some rain, especially this time of year. So we'll get a few storms Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, probably peaking on Sunday. And then we may be caught in that ring of fire again next week, which would lead to mainly dry conditions, but maybe a pop-up storm. So mostly sunny, low humidity today with highs near 80. Tonight, 62. Partly cloudy, comfortable. And then here's the 7-day forecast. Again, warming up tomorrow. Our next heat wave begins on Thursday. The humidity is back for the weekend, which means storms are back. I think they peak on Sunday with more widespread opportunities for downpours and storms. So heads up for the weekend. Can't say it'll be dry, but it's not going to be, you know, it's like last weekend, right? It wasn't raining all the time. So that's good news. And unfortunately, the humidity is coming back, but it's July.
Oh, well, I'll just get outside today and
enjoy it.
Soak it all up.
Soak it in. Yes, indeed.
All right. Thank you, Brett.